for OD A4 B6 body. To remove a rear cup holder, we need to unclip this trim, the little pick. First I unclip it on the side, right here. There's a clip right here, on the other side too. You see this little clip, one on the two sides. This one broke off, and so it come right off. You see the pin on the side, on the top. Also, this one I didn't felt it, but you pry everywhere. Then to remove the rear cup holder, I put it to see better. I put it up and I pry right here, so it's like right where my thumb is right now. I pry there because the pin is right there. So pry this like this, then it comes off. So to install the new one, you just slide it in like this, and I put a little bit of love. Then we put the trim with affection. So I pull this out.